Very good morning to all of you. Welcome to reasoning class of grade 8 and this is lecture number 4. Topic which I am going to discuss in this lecture number 4 is series completion. Specifically we will talk about number series, alphabet series, and then we shall discuss assignment solutions which I have given you as homework. Dear children, this topic deals with questions in which series of numbers or alphabetical letters are given, which are generally called as terms of the series. And what we are supposed to do? These terms basically follow a certain pattern throughout, and we are supposed to recognize the pattern and we need to complete the series with the most suitable alternative. So dear children, basically we need to find the pattern, whether it is a number series or alphabetical series, and then we need to recognize the pattern and then we need to complete the given series with the most suitable alternative. So let us get started with the assignment solutions. Question number 1 is, which number would replace question mark in the series? And the series is 7, 12, 19. Here we need to find out what will come in place of this question mark, and then 39. And the options are 29, 28, 26, 24. Now, clearly, dear children, in this given sequence, we are adding plus 5, like 7 plus 5, we are getting 12. Then we are adding 7 to this number, and then we are getting 19. Then plus 9 is being added, and we are getting, like, we need to add plus 3. First of all, we have added plus 5. Then we have added plus 7, and then we need to add plus 9. So the answer will be 19 plus 9, that will be equal to 28. So for question number 1, B option is the correct option. Question number 2 is, which is the number that comes next in the given sequence? So the sequence is 0, 6, 24, 60, 120 and 210, and these are the 4 options. Dear children, clearly if you observe this sequence, given sequence, you will find out that this 0 is obtained by, like, in the manner 1 cube minus 1. If I will subtract 1 cube minus 1, I will be getting this number. If I will be subtracting 2 from 2 cube, like 6, how we are getting 6? 2 cube, that is 8 minus 2, 6. Then 3 cube minus 3. The sequence is following this order. 4 cube minus 4. Likewise, if we will keep on continuing like this, this is 6 cube minus 6. Now, in this place of question mark, the next number should be 7 cube minus 7. And we know 7 cube is 343 minus 7, it will be 336. So, C option is the correct option. Question number 3 is, which is the number that comes next in the given sequence? And the sequence is 4, 6, 12, 14, 28, 30. Dear children, basically the given sequence is a combination of 2 series. The very first series is 4, 12 and 28. Then this place 4, 12, 28 and then this fill in the blank. The second series is 6, 14 and 30. This 6, 14 and 30. So there are 2 series basically in this one given sequence. So now the order which is being followed is 4 plus 8. First of all, they are adding 8. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 16, 28. Now basically according to this rule, 32 is to be added. Now if I check about this series, 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 16, 32. 30. 14 plus 16, 30. So as I told you that the numbers are being added in this sequence. So if I will add 28 plus 32. So adding 28 plus 32, answer will comes out to be 60. Answer will comes out to be 60. So B option is the correct option. Question number 4 is find out missing number in the given sequence, and this is the sequence 1, 3, 3, 6, 7, 9, then question mark 12 and 21. Again, this series is a combination of two series, and the first series is 1, 3, 7, then question mark and then 21. Second series is 3, 6, 9 and then 12. These are the two series, and the pattern followed in this is we are adding plus 2, plus 4 and then plus 6 is to be added to get this number in place of this question mark. And here in this series the pattern followed is plus 3. Every time 3 is being added. So if I add 7 plus 6, the answer will comes out to be 13. So 7 plus 6 will be 13. So D option is the correct option. Question number 5. Find the missing number. This is the sequence given to us. Now, dear children, if I have a look closely on the numerators and denominators separately, then I have observed that in the numerators, 2 is being added every time. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. So ideally, if I add 2 to 7, numerator should be 9 of the answer. And if I talk about the denominator, it is 2. Then we have 2 square, then 2 raised to the power 3, that is 8, 2 raised to the power 4, that is 16. Now ideally it should come, that is 2 raised to the power 5, and which is 32. So clearly A option is the correct option. Now let us talk about question number 6. This question has two parts. Firstly, I am going to discuss A part. Fill in the blank spaces. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. This is the sequence, and we need to find out what will come in place of this blank space. And the options are 35, 36, 48, 49. So if I will observe the pattern carefully, it is seen that this number is 1 square, then we have 2 square, then we have 3 square, then 4 square, 5 square, then obviously 6 square should come, and 6 square is 36. So for question number 6, A part answer is second option, that is 36. Question number 6, second part is 3, 7, 15, 31 and 63. So let us observe the pattern of the given sequence. Now in this given sequence, this number 3 is being multiplied by 2 and 1 is being added to the answer. Like 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So likewise 7 into 2 plus 1. 7 into 2 is 14 plus 1. 15 into 2 is 30 plus 1, 31. 31 into 2 plus 1, you will be getting 63. Now we are supposed to follow the same pattern, and we need to multiply this 63 by 2 and we need to add 1 to the answer. So the answer will comes out to be 127. So 63 into 2 plus 1, it will be 127. So for question number 6, B part answer is third option. Question number 7, what terms will fill the blank spaces? Z, X, V, T and R. So there are two blank spaces. Now we need to observe the pattern of the given series. So clearly the given series consists of alternate letters in reverse order. So the missing letters would be P and N. So here P, N. So I am repeating the concept. In this given sequence or in this given series, alternate letters are written in a reverse order. You can see here from the series, and then so according to this the missing terms would be P and N. Question number 8 is choose the term which will continue the series. Here P3C, this is the first term. Then we have R5F, T81, V12L. Now dear children, as there are total 3 terms, like P is the first letter, then we have one digit, and then we have this letter. So we need to find out the relation of P, R, T and V, and similarly for 3, 5, 8, 12 and C, F, 1, L. It is I, T8I, V12L. So PRTV, we need to find the relation 3, 5, 8, 12 and then CFIL. So if I talk about the first letter, the first letters are alternate, like P, then alternate letter is R, then T, then V. So ideally after V, what will be the next alternate letter? So X should come if I follow this pattern. Now if I talk about the numbers, 3 plus 2 we are getting 5, 5 plus 3 we are getting 8, 8 plus 4 we are getting 12. So 12 plus 5, 17 should come. Here we are adding plus 2, then plus 3, plus 4 and then plus 5. 12 plus 5, 17 should come. Now I need to find the relationship between C, F, I and L. Let us see what is the relationship. Now for the last letter, basically the last letter of each term is 3 steps ahead of the last letter of the preceding term. Like for C, F, this is 3 steps ahead of the last letter of the preceding term. So after this L, O should come. So clearly we got the answer and C option is the correct option for this question number 8. So dear children, I hope you have understood these solutions and you can now complete this assignment solutions. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.